Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to give you my 5 reasons why I believe you should go and purchase the Casio F105W. First of all, this is going to be one of the best alternatives to the Casio F-91W. So if you're looking for something very similar but a little bit more modern, the F105W is going to be your best option. Second of all, this is going to have the upgraded electroluminescence light. So as you can see, this is going to be a Casio illuminator. So if we are going to compare them side by side, you can see a clear difference between the Casio F91W and the upgraded illuminator F105W. The third reason is that this is a great Casio watch for small and medium wrists. For reference, I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches, and you can see that this watch looks amazing. The fourth reason is that this is going to be a modern reinterpretation of the Casio F91W. So although they are very similar, they are very different at the same time. You can see that starting from the case, you can see that the one on the left, so the F105W, has these lugs, whereas the Casio F91W has the lugs covered. Also, when it comes to the design, you can see that this is going to look a lot better, so the blue is going to pop out a lot more, and also there is going to be a slight difference when it comes to the case size. So the F105W is going to have a little bit bigger dimensions compared to the F91W. So in case you thought that the F91W was perfect but a little bit bigger would have been even better, this is going to be the option for you. Lastly, this is going to have the same options and features such as the Casio F91W. So we have the setting of time and date, we have the 12/24 hour display, so military time, and then we also have the alarm that gives you the option to set an alarm and also to activate or deactivate the hourly beep, and also we have a stopwatch. So a bunch of features that you can find within this very nice, affordable, 90s looking Casio watch with a modern twist. So in my opinion, this is going to be the modern F91W that you should definitely go and grab right now, because I guarantee you are going to love it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular model as well as the Casio F91W in case you do not have any of these two. I would definitely recommend to go and grab both of them. In case you want to watch even other videos about Casio watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, make sure to be subscribed. Also give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below which is your Casio watch. What would you choose when it comes to your retro 90s looking Casio watch? Would you go with the OG, the F91W, or would you purchase this one and also upgrade to the F105W? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. Also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintagereda.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.